Good morning, everybody. My name is Mike Savage. I'm with Roberts QEP. Today we're going to be featuring the 10-750 Roberts Toolkit. First and foremost, I'd like to explain to you we redesigned the toolbox. As you can see, it's 24 inches long. We've featured the flush mount inlaid handles to keep your handles and rivets from getting broke off on both ends. Now let's take a look inside. Kit comes with a Pro Mini bar, 4-inch stair tool, cushion handle, easy tuck plastic stair tool for around porcelain sinks and ceramic, set of duckbill napping shears, professional utility knife, professional carpet knife, carpet tucking knife, and a 30-inch tape measure. You'll notice the feature on the bottom of our tray doubles as a seam weight. Comes with your carpet trimmer, your strip cutters, row runner, professional stapler, wonder bar, 20-ounce ripping hammer, rubber mallet, leather-lined tool pouch to keep your tools from slipping out, your loop pile cutter, your cushion back cutter, carpet tractor, Irwin chalk wheel with Irwin chalk. And last but not least, our professional 10-412 knee kicker. I'd like to thank everyone for being with me while I featured this 750 kit. Thank you.